Barbecued ribs in a slow cooker? Everybody said it's not possible, but I've proved them wrong.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cooking barbecued ribs in a slow cooker. That sounds a bit strange, doesn't it? But it's not really. The idea of the slow cooker is to make these ribs so fall off the bone and succulent. And then just finish them off on the barbecue. It'll be great. And these are the ingredients that we're going to need. Some black pepper, some sea salt, a small amount of chili powder, then we've got some honey, brown sugar, some Worcestershire sauce, and this barbecue sauce. This is Sweet Baby Ray's, of course. It's fantastic. And of course, these beautiful pork ribs that I have here. First we take a large mixing bowl. Then we go in with about 3 teaspoons full of brown sugar, about 3 tablespoons of runny honey, and that goes a large pinch of black pepper, a large pinch of sea salt, a dash of Worcestershire sauce, not too much, that can be quite overpowering, then Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. And of course, just a 1/4 teaspoon of this very hot chili powder. Give this a mix together. Then in with the ribs. And we want to get these ribs coated all over in this delicious sauce. Then it's off to the slow cooker.
So in they go, on low for about 8 hours. We pop the lid on, and this is what we end up with. That was a quick 8 hours, wasn't it? But don't they look delicious? Look at the change in colour. That lovely dark brown. Oh dear, give me one now. And just look at the way the meat comes away from the bone. It's just so succulent. But we're not finished yet. Now, just a quick blast on a very hot barbecue. Gives it that lovely flavour, that lovely smoky flavour. On they go. We'll just give them a few minutes on each side because we don't want these to dry out. Not after all this work. We'll turn them over onto the other side. Get a little bit on that side too. Make sure you don't burn them. Oh, that'd be terrible, wouldn't it? You can hear them sizzling and crackling away, can't you? Time to take them off now. Yep, last one. Don't forget those little sneaky bits. Oh. Then we can plate up. As if by magic. Don't they look good? These are just some little extras that just fit on the side there. Lovely. There we go, there's another view. Oh yes. A little bit of sauce, a little dribble of sauce along the top there. And these are just a couple of shots, just to show you how good they are.
Wow, amazing, just how I wanted it. So really succulent, it falls off the bone. And yeah, brilliant, try this for yourself. It's quite easy, you just need a slow cooker. Well, what should I say now? Oh yeah, would you be really kind? Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Give me a like and give me a share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.